Finally He Sleeps here, back again with another GearHeads video. Today we're in the 2017 Dodge Caravan and we're going to be swapping out rear speakers. This is the location for them and how you get to it. There are two. There's one here and one here. The panels are pretty simple and it's the same thing for the driver's side as it is the passenger side. The first thing we're going to do is remove this panel. You need a tool. You're going to put it up into the corner and pop up in the back to release, and then you'll pop them across the top in the back, and then the whole panel will pop out from the front. Once you have the panel removed, you'll see that there's just some clips along the back and then these snap clips here in the front. And once the panel's out, you'll gain access to the speaker. It's just 4 screws. Pull it out and swap it. Make sure you put in a new speaker that is set to fit for that size. It's 6x9 for this. Now for the satellite speaker up in the corner, there is a little pull and a little clip down here. Both of those, you're going to use the trim tool to get underneath and pry up, and then the whole panel will actually pop out from here all the way around. You'll have to remove the trim around the outside, and then this will come out. It is a little rubber grommet, as you can see right here on this side, and then up in there, there is a Phillips head screw. Once you get that out, you can pull this down. It just pops. There's clips up in there, and when you pull that down, it'll gain access to the top corner. Once you pull the panel away, you'll see access to the satellite speaker here, and there's just one wiring clip that you'll have to pop out. It's just there's a rear thing that you just push down and it will pop to release, and then remove the whole panel and replace just the satellite speaker. If you're using like Crutchfield, you'll be able to get a comparable that works here with this rear system. And then to put it all back, you just do the reverse step order. It's actually really simple.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams, in a world of games it seems.